Hi, folks. I just walked in the door, got a package, so that means I got to do another video. At this rate, we'll hit 200 in no time. First, let's take a spin around the block. Got a few new things I just put up there. Got the Beast, the Camillus Yellow Jacket. I think it's a 1993 with a wicked drop point. Behind that, you got your Boker Beer Barrel Wood Trapper, and then Old Smoky. And there's the Case Mini Moves and the Shat and Morgan Gunstock, which a lot of people love. We'll get another look at that. That brings back good memories. So I'm going to do another unboxing. I didn't get what I wanted, which was the green Appaloosa Bone Case Barlow. But this is a pretty good get. It's a Rough Rider. Here, let's swing back this way. It's a Rough Rider 090 bird and trout knife. So we're going to open that up. First, let's do a pocket dump. We could either open it up with the ZT, but we've been there, we've done that. And in my shirt pocket today, I was carrying the Spyderco Little Native, but I don't want to open it with that. I want to open it with this. It's what I was carrying today in the left pocket. And yes, it's the Taylor Eyewitness Oxhorn. So now I cut a lot of cardboard with it. So what I'm going to do is hone it real quick, so we don't have any problems cutting this little bit here. I actually got this little honing rod when I bought the Marbles fixed knife, the big Bowie. Got it for free, and it's got like a diamond infused, so it usually works pretty good. Let's see what happens. Get this out of the way. Now what we're hoping for is the blue box, but we're not going to shed a tear if it's in the brown box. The blue box is just the older version with the slightly better sheath. It holds the knife a little tighter, which is always a good thing. If you watch Tobias's, he kind of gave us all a heads up that the newer version, the sheath was a little more shoddily made, where you can't take the restraining strap off. But anyway, we're kind of hoping for the blue box, but not going to shed a tear for the brown box. The brown box is the newer version. So I don't know if you guys can see this. Let's see how the Lee White 2 does. Oh, cutting it like butter. Cutting it like butter. Uh-oh, looks like the brown box. So you were right, Tobias, to keep the old graphics up there. The old graphics had the blue box, which was the older version. So, well, let's check out the newer version. Not going to cry about a shoddy sheath. Well, this looks like the older sheath. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe we got the right one. Let me slide this back so I know where we're at. I did cut myself today. Yeah, it's the newer one because it has the RR stamp, where the old one had the horseshoe. And it's the RR 090 440 razor sharp steel, and it is sharp. Oh yeah, nice beautiful stag. What's that? Full tang. I don't think that's gapping. That's just a black kind of dust. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Got the shakes today, guys. Just got done slamming Mountain Dew on the way home. Yes, I like it. I like it. It's not a very big knife. Fits in. You get three good fingers around it. Let's see how it works with the sheath. Yeah, I think this is the older sheath. No, maybe not. Yeah, so we got to keep the restraining strap on. If it was the older sheath, I would be able to take this off and it would kind of seat right in the leather, like on this. But this is kind of made to do that, whereas the Rough Rider isn't. But let's take a look at, it's not very big. It's got some beautiful stag. Gonna work real nice. Gonna work real nice. So, I don't know, should we measure it out? Let's measure it out. Slide it around here and we can get a better look at it. Still got a few minutes. Handle is 3 1/8 of an inch. And the blade is just under 3 inches, not counting the tang. So it's about almost 3 1/4 inch total with a 2 7/8 cutting edge. Okay, well, Tobias, you were right on that one. I figured since they only had so many left, at the place I bought it from, that they might be trying to get rid of their older stock. Let's weigh it out. .6 ounces. You know, just a little feller. We'll put it up with this and take some pics. And we'll throw the Barlow in there too. I like that Stag. All right, let's clean this blade a little bit. So the handle's about the size of a Barlow handle. There's some beautiful Stag though. Let's take a look at the other side. The other side had some winter bottom pattern. The grooves. Yes, I like that. Nice white Stag. It was sharp too. I like that blade style. It's got a good sweeping upturn. Let's do it this way. We can check out the blades together. So, my friends, there you have it. 3 pretty cool knives. So, everyone, take care and stay safe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.